How to fix Yelp review not publishing? The very first thing that you actually need to do is simply check your content guidelines. You need to ensure that your review does not contain any sort of profanity, personal details, or links, or any sort of promotional spams. So if you do have any of those, then your review won't be publishing. So recheck all of that. So after doing that, if it's still not working, then try to scroll all the way to the bottom of the business page and check if Yelp's automated filter moved your review to any unrecommended section or not. And you can check all of the reviews, and if you do not find your comment, or if you do not find your review, then you should know that you never actually posted. So third thing that you actually need to do is simply add a profile picture and link a standard account information under the unverified profile. Trigger spam filters more frequently, so that you will trigger that unverified profile. So lastly, the very last thing I recommend you guys do is simply get to your profile, tap on that more icon, or you can simply get into that me icon, and then you can actually get to review section and edit the review slightly and save it again in order to re-trigger the evaluation. I'm pretty sure that way you will be able to fix that Yelp review not publishing.